welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today we're back for our Work It 23 in 23 series that I started last week, and I drew some numbers from my list, and I drew number 1, which was the Summer Sampler Christmas quilt, and number 10, which was the embroidery quilt, which is called Sunshine Frolics. And my aim is to work on these projects for that particular week. So last week I had to draw 2 so that I was caught up, and then from today on it'll only be 1. So I showed last week where I was up to with both of those, and now I'll show you how I got on. So here is the little embroidery block all finished. So that one is number 3 and it's called Happiness Is. So that's very cute. I'm pleased I got that finished. And then the other one I worked on was my Summer Sampler Christmas quilt, and I think last week my goal was just to put the borders on, so I did that, and I even got it basted. So let me grab it and show you. I have to leave this back because it's now become quite big. I'm going to show you this. So I got the borders all sewn on. I've done 3 borders. I've done a white border, a very thin red border, and another white border. So all I have to do now is quilt it, and I've put the backing on. The backing I had to piece together because I didn't have enough to there we go, that's better. Can you see that? Is it all blown out? Can't even see. Yeah, so I've done a thin border there, a very thin red strip, and then white. So now all I need to do is quilt it and then put the binding on. So I'm very happy with my progress on that one. So today we will draw another number and see what we're going to be working on for this week. So I've got my little bowl, and we will pick out a number. Let's see what we've got. What are we going to be working on? Number 8. So number 8 is number 8. Can you see that? I've written them in pencil so you can hardly see them. But number 8 is a couple of mixed media projects that I started that I never got round to finishing. So let me grab them and show you. I need my coffee. So here's that one and that one. So there's 2. So these are little boxes. This was a little gift box that I got given a present in, and I've altered it and covered it in book paper inside and out. Don't want everything to fall out, and I just keep all my junk in it. And then the other piece is a pen jar that I've done the same sort of thing with, but I just need to finish embellishing them. So these are going to be fun to work on to actually get them finished. So those are my projects for this week. That's number 8. So it'll be good to get all these things ticked off my list. So that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed that little progress update on last week's, and I will see you all again next week for Work It 23 in 23. Have a great day. Bye.